Nate, help me out!
Oof, you're heavy.
That's because I'm pregnant.
She's not due soon. Trixie wants to control the building process. I'll come back later. Have a nice day.
Hi! What's up?
Wanna play?
Meet my babies.
She gave birth. I quit.
Wow. We're gonna make 3 times as much money.
3 times? Okay, what should I do?
You take care of building while I take care of the kittens.
We need 2 big pieces.
I'll cut it.
Wow!
There we go.
Thanks. Now we can make a roof. We slay! What do you think?
Basic.
Let's add some shine.
I got it all. What's this?
You'll see.
Hey, you scared the kittens.
It was all him. What a weird toy.
Somebody help!
That's not a toy.
I want to get all the way to the ceiling.
That's dangerous.
I wonder if flowers can fly.
Sit still. Don't destroy my store.
Okay, fine.
It's your birthday today. Let's have a party.
What are these?
It's uncomfortable.
I have a plan. First of all, you're meant to give birthday presents. Now that's more like it.
A treat, thanks.
Is that for me? Cool. I can't hide from you.
That's not a present. Here you go.
I want that.
Me too.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
What would you give kittens for their birthday? Give me some ideas in the comments.
They need names.
You're right. This one looks like a Molly. This one looks like a Lily.
And this one looks like Pumpkin.
Ugh, what a horrible name. Hold on, come back.
Hi.
Help!
You can't be mean to Kevin. He's getting taken home this week.
I hope it happens soon.
Wake up. The kittens have nowhere to sleep.
We'll make them beds now. Quit yelling.
No, that's for the customers.
What are my kittens going to sleep on?
Nate will make you a new bed.
Easy. I have an idea. All clear?
Yep.
Let's split up the fabric. Copy me. Fold the fabric.
Yeah.
Wow.
Done.
Glue this part together. Now let's do that some more.
This'll make it cozy.
They'll love snoozing here.
Come out, Kevin. Let's play.
Leave me alone.
Kevin doesn't like playing.
What is this?
A birthday cake, of course.
Cake.
Cake!
Cake.
Okay, I'll order one. Make a wish and blow out the candles.
Yeah! Delicious!
I want cake every day.
They're so cute.
Is it delicious?
It's for the kittens.
We need to pick toys for the kittens.
Throw out the toys you like.
These are expensive toys. Put them back.
So what will the kittens play with?
Come up with something cheaper.
This old junk. I have an idea. Do you know where the saw is?
I don't need it.
Oops. Careful.
What will it be?
Wait and see. We're missing something. Nice. I bet the kittens will love this.
We love fish.
Add a pillow and fishing rods.
The kittens will love it. We saved a lot on building the house, so we can afford presents.
Is this for me? Thanks.
Why did the music stop?
They noticed! Run!
Oh no.
Clean this up and make them a litter box.
I know. Let's test you out. Great.
The toilet will be right here.
Fill it up. How will they know this is a toilet?
Just like this. We need steps here.
We don't have enough materials.
Think of something.
Forgive me.
You're so creative.
Thanks.
We need to connect them.
We'll use glue. It doesn't match the house. That turned out cute.
It turned out great. And it's safe for the kittens.
We can't keep celebrating your birthday.
What? We can't.
Not without these snacks.
You tricked us. Treats. Looks good.
Now let's take a picture.
No, I don't wanna.
Give us the treats back.
I'll take it. Should we make a playroom?
I don't think that's a good idea. I think it's a great idea.
We need a barrier.
And some decor.
Whoever finds it first gets a prize.
What is it?
This mouse.
Wow.
That turned out perfectly. Oops, I'm stuck.
I'll help you.
Thanks.
We'll give them a place to eat here.
We need bowls. Take your pick.
They're outside of our budget.
I bet he can use some of this.
Nunchucks?
That's coming out of your salary.
Okay.
We'll cut it off here.
We can attach the bowls just like this.
We'll add ears, eyes, and whiskers.
What a cute mouse.
red lights.
Welcome home.
Let's show it to the kittens.
This house is huge! Real fish!
Wow. Nice house, intern.
Thank you.
I want a house for Louise.
Is that okay?
A beauty like you gets a discount. I want a house for my pet.
What's the pet?
Hey, my name is Bite.
Whoa, a legit cyber puppy.
I want a house like the one.
I hope this will do. Hurry up, Willie, for school. We'll pick you up after classes.
Have
a nice day.
Well, let's get the show on the road.
I'm gonna help you.
Go team!
So, metal friend, are you ready to start construction?
I have a brief agenda. There.
You call this brief? Doesn't matter. I love to play it by ear.
It's unproductive.
What color do you have in mind?
Dying for pink.
I believe it's here. Gotta look.
I'll help with the search. I'm on to something.
That's something we can use.
I'm keeping it. It's nice.
Are you down to play? Let's go.
I'm not giving it up.
The piece of wood is mine. Hoops! Hold on. This is just the thing.
It's what I wanted all along.
We may decorate it the way you like.
One last touch. The house is practically finished up.
Construction analysis. The chance of collapse is 95%.
That's a lie. It can totally survive a tornado.
Destruction in 3, 2, 1.
Mind-blowing. It was extremely sturdy.
It wasn't. Robots are never wrong. Drawing review. Option 2. 3D printing starting.
Is it big enough for you?
Cool toy.
It's not a toy.
But it's really cool.
You're a true lady. Come on.
Fine.
Let's rehearse some commands. Down.
No problem.
Paw.
There.
Play dead.
Okay.
Good girl. Here's a treat.
Can you do this?
Sure. I'm a puppy too, you know. I can sit, lie, do a headstand, and bark.
Real dogs can do that too.
Let's see if you can copy this. I've got lasers. Demonstration mode on. Fire thrower. I see through things. Draw things as a magnet. I can fly.
Drop it. You've proved your coolness.
Thanks.
No more flying inside. Nate, open the window.
My mistake. I'll be good.
Where were we?
Wall decorating.
Right. We may repaint completely.
What is this creepy thing?
Ouch. It hurts.
Sorry, new stuff scares me a lot. Aww. Does it hurt bad? Is that better?
Thanks. I feel fine.
Why was the dog barking?
Any chance paint is a pet peeve for dogs? Is it for you?
Error. Camera failure. I cannot see.
You're a hoot.
Obstruction detected. Cleansing laser application. Cleansing over. Vision restored. Intruder detected. Target locked. Fire. Target escapes. Destruction mission.
Stacy, he creeps me out.
Nate, switch him off.
Bite, stop firing.
Target locked. Destroy.
He won't obey. You guys comment stop down below to prevent the robot.
Leave your comments now.
He might hurt the puppy.
Abort destruction.
My bad. He won't do that again. Now we gotta clean up. Ouch, it hurts.
Nate, are you okay?
Ouch, that's the tip.
Life threat detected. Rescue protocol activation.
Where's the patient? What's up?
There he is.
Me? It's a teeny-weeny splinter. I see. A false call is gonna cost you $1,000. I didn't call, my robot dog did. Uh-huh, my toaster gives me a massage. I'm charging you for the false call. I had to pay a fine because of you.
I have trouble reading emotion. I figured you were dying.
Flowers are gonna look terrific on the walls.
Awesome! I happen to have a plan too.
Good for you! The house is coming together!
I appreciate your hand with the house.
This is way too cute! I know! We want something big and bright.
Something like this.
Good girl! I need scissors.
Here you are.
Uh-huh! Glue them on the roof! There you go! Ooh!
I'll back you up.
My biggest help!
My house is filled with love.
The view from here is much different. What is this?
I want the house to be glowing.
Sounds like a plan. Help me fasten it.
It takes power to make it work.
We'll use power from a solar panel.
Stop. The chance of falling is 100%.
Falling of what? Thanks. Can you foresee the future?
I have a habit of foreseeing 10 billion scenarios.
That's good. You've earned another accumulator. On a related note, stunning.
That's the house of my dreams.
Do I put up a string of lights or a ribbon?
My empty stomach gets in the way of thinking clearly.
Sorry, I forgot to get you food. Bon appetit! Anything wrong with it?
It's okay. The bowls could be nicer, you know.
Good point. They're supposed to match the house. This will work. We'll decorate the bowls.
Fabulous. Makes eating 1,000 times better. Gotta take off.
Where are you going?
Can't reach the handle. I'm forced to do it here.
What happened?
This.
It's okay. We'll clean it up.
Unauthorized pollution detected. Eliminate the pollution.
Hey, tread lightly.
Cleaning over.
Nate, your robot set our floor on fire.
Oopsies. I'm terribly sorry. We can cover it up.
Nate, you might want to feed me.
Okay, fine.
Electricity tastes good.
I'm having a taste of something good in a second.
Unhealthy diet detected. Launching destruction.
You set my food on fire. Thanks a lot. I'm gonna have to eat salad.
This kind of food does more good for your body.
So good.
The floor in the house gives away cold.
We can figure this one out. Oops! This is what we're gonna make a bed from.
Should we save it, I guess?
If it's for you, I don't mind. The top is old anyway. Cut off the excess.
Making it softer.
Joining the edges. Thoughts?
Feels like I'm on a cloud. A window would look great right here.
You have good taste. We need a sketch.
Here's a pencil.
Fine. Cut it out.
Trust me on this one. done.
Where would I be without you?
Let's free up the space for it.
Hiya! We did an amazing job.
I want a space to unload the upgrades.
Sounds cool.
Delivery! You?
The mat is gonna look nice on the floor.
The house is 12% into the cozy transformation. All this light heats up the house.
What about this?
That makes a lot of difference.
You're gonna be obsessed with this thing.
It's an endless tunnel. I love it.
Whoa, cool thingy. Ooh, it's sucking me in. Save me.
Stop. Can't get out.
What did you do to Louise?
Throw an anchor. It's sucking her in.
Save me.
We clearly need backup.
Help us get stronger.
We need your thumbs up.
Almost there. Great. Are you okay?
Yeah, I can't thank you enough.
Let's stay away from this thing. Anything else we could add to the house?
I want a lawn.
That's doable. Here's the lawn.
Awesome. This will make a cute fence. Whoa, it's huge.
Some pots and the lawn's ready. Oh, Louise.
Sorry, the lawn looks so real.
Clean up after me, please.
Fine.
Shall we throw a tea party?
Sounds cool.
I say we do a movie theater at home.
Awesome. I've got a built-in projector.
This is the place for speakers. I wish we could make popcorn.
Give me a second. Laser at 5%.
You're the most amazing puppy there is.
Hey!
Hey!
From what it looks, the floor is dirty.
Oops, that's on me.
4th level pollution detected. Launching liquidation. Calling for backup. The source of pollution eliminated.
The floor is spotless. Your turn.
Yay! A bath!
Clean paws. Let's file the nails. Now we take care of the teeth. And never leave out the ears.
The best part is, you don't have any fur.
I might add some.
Too gloomy. Too pink. You should stay the way you are. Freeze. This is a holdup.
I can save you all!
Don't get any ideas.
Target locked. Magnet activation.
Well played, Bite. Have you seen this outlaw? There they are. Are you all in cahoots?
No,
we're not. You're all under arrest. Welcome. This is your new home. Say cheese.
Smile.
Miss Stacy, your deluxe cell.
What a shame. I mean, at least there's a TV.
Not up to par, you know, but I can make it work. You are expected to build safe and comfortable houses. My assistants, Captain Cutie and Officer Paw.
Cutest thing ever!
Put me down. I'm an officer.
Okay, get to work. You've got an hour until the inspection. Show me what you've got.
Here it is, the big moment, a chic house in jail.
Well, baby, this is our chance to shine. Okay, baby, let's start off with the basics. We need a frame.
I'm dying to see it! I'm having the best time!
This is no toy. It's gonna be your roof.
Some boards? Nah. Way beneath me.
Gosh, you're fussy.
I'm no delivery guy.
Make sure you grab velvet.
Delivery for the most demanding miss.
I might help you. Not for free, though. Some cheese?
If you get a hold of gold decorations, we have a deal. Well, this might work.
There. Simple yet safe.
Hey, new guy. Need a hand?
Hamster? In jail? Okay, buddy, you're in. Someone is clearly using his head. While someone is using her tongue, let's see who'll win.
Hey, everything's ready, actually.
What about this thing? Add some vibe to it?
Sounds good!
So, you like it?
I do!
I came across something.
Thanks, man. Now you're speaking my language.
It must look pretty!
Look, I came across an old brooch.
Something is better than nothing. Gotta hand it to you.
Let's paint the house!
All that matters is that you like it here.
Truly beautiful. The kitten must love it.
Wow, I like it. Just not cozy enough.
We'll fix it right away.
Artistic approach? Okay. Thing is, it's a house, not a gallery.
A flag!
Minimalism is boring, unlike classics.
Both fronts are decent. None of them truly stand out.
I'm starving!
In that case, we'll feed you. But first, we need a feeder. Should do, as long as kittens are full.
All done?
Patience, baby. It's not it yet.
Awesome!
Simple and handy. All I care for is that the baby loves it.
I want a feeder too.
The feeder has to be like a masterpiece. I'm set to make it. Now we're talking.
Tasty.
Do you like
liked
it?
Yeah!
We made it.
Whoa, you're cleaning up already?
Couldn't resist the urge!
I take you need a claw sharpener.
Hey, Nate, over here. You're the biggest wuss ever.
Phew, I got scared stiff.
I got you the supplies.
There you have it.
So cool!
That's what a grateful client looks like.
Holding up very well. I can actually climb.
Geez, it's dead boring. Real cats need a bougie claw sharpener.
Doesn't matter as long as the babies love it.
I will do it better.
Any chance you can use it?
Truly chic. That's the way to sharpen your claws.
I stand for order and justice. Houston, we have a problem.